Do you remember the old days of television? Before everything was digital and perfect? When you would switch to a channel with no signal, you would get that screen full of black and white fuzz, that hissing sound of pure static. It seemed like nothing, just random noise. But what if I told you that a tiny, tiny fraction of that static was something incredible? What if it was a genuine echo from the birth of our universe, the afterglow of the Big Bang itself? This echo has a name: the cosmic microwave background. But a better way to think of it is as the universe's very first baby picture. It is the oldest photograph ever taken, capturing a snapshot of the cosmos when it was just an infant. And just like a baby picture, it tells us everything about where it came from and what it was destined to become. To understand this picture, we have to imagine a time long ago, right after the Big Bang. The universe was not empty and dark. It was the exact opposite. It was an unbelievably hot, fantastically dense fog of particles and energy. This cosmic soup was so thick and chaotic that light could not travel through it. Any photon of light was bounced around, trapped in a pinball machine of matter, unable to escape. But then, for 380,000 years, the universe expanded and cooled. Finally, it reached a magic moment. It cooled just enough to become transparent, and for the very first time, that ancient, trapped light was set free to travel across the cosmos. And here is the most mind-bending part, that light is still traveling. After its journey of 13.8 billion years, it is hitting our telescopes today. When we look at it, we see that it is not perfectly uniform. There are tiny, almost imperceptible variations in its temperature. These are not mistakes or blemishes on the photo. They are the most important part. These minuscule fluctuations were the seeds, the blueprints for everything we see today. The slightly cooler, denser spots are where gravity began to pull matter together, forming the very first stars, the first galaxies, and eventually, everything we know and love. It is, without a doubt, the single greatest piece of evidence we have for the Big Bang Theory. What part of this cosmic story blows your mind the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. But there is one final, incredible secret this baby picture reveals. That light did not reach us in its original form. Over those 13.8 billion years, as space itself has expanded, the light waves have been stretched out along with it. What was once high-energy light has been stretched into the long, cool wavelengths of microwaves. That stretching is the ultimate proof. It shows our universe is not a static finished object. It is alive. It is dynamic, and it is still growing, expanding outward right now, and every moment that follows.